Good morning everyone. How are you? Happy New Year. This is my first video of 2023. Now I'm back. Starting to do feeding with the wild parrot, King Parrot again. Now only few of them are here because it's been raining last night. So now I'm gonna feed them again with the wallaby behind me. You see the wet wallaby over there? He wants to share a feed of the parrot. He's already used of eating the parrot feed. See? He's not scared of me anymore. He's used to it. I'm not sure if this is a male or a female. Oh, it's a female young wallaby. Okay guys, keep watching. I'm gonna feed the king parrots now. They are wild king parrots, okay? As I always said, they are not my pet. Enjoy watching. And thank you for subscribing. Hope you like my video, guys. Thank you very much, and again, Happy New Year. All the best of 2023.